Have you ever gone to bed with cracked, dry lips and woken up with spa-like treatment overnight? That's exactly what this pink little jug promises. Well, this is the famous Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. But does it actually live up the hype? Let's talk about it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm diving into one of those cult favorite products that you probably have seen all over TikTok or Instagram, which is the Laneige Night Sleeping Mask. So I've been using this for a while now, and I want to give you the real deal on this, what I love about it and what I don't, and whether it's worth the hype. So basically it's an overnight lip treatment. You put it on before bed, and whilst you're asleep, it hydrates, softens and helps you repair your lips. It creates a barrier that locks in hydration whilst you're asleep. It's packed with things like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which help with moisture and repairing the lips. So in the morning, you can wipe off or rinse off any remaining products, and your lips should feel smoother, softer and more plump. So let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this frosted little jar with a twist of lid. Super sleek and simple. Inside, you find generous amount of product. And honestly, one jar lasts forever because you only need the tiniest scoop each time. It usually comes with a mini spatula too, which is nice if you don't want to dip your fingers directly into the jar. I admit though, half of the time I use my fingers because it's a lot quicker. But if you're into keeping things hygienic, the spatula is quite handy. Now the texture. This is what sets it apart from normal lip balm. It's thick, silky and little glossy. When you first scoop it out, it feels rich, almost like jelly balm hybrid. On the lips, it feels buttery, smooth, not waxy or sticky, and it just sits there. The best part is that it doesn't slide off everywhere while you sleep. Some lip balm wear off in an hour, but this clings just enough to stay put through the night. So when I wake up, there's usually still a thin layer left, and after wiping it off, my lips feels way softer and hydrated. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So the pros is it has different scent, and the one I got is the berry. It's super hydrating, and one little jar, you can actually use it for a long time because you only need a tiny bit. And it can also double up as a lip balm as well. And the cons is, because it's in a jug, you either have to dip your finger or use the spatula. So it's not always super convenient. And also if you don't have super dry lips, you can use just like a regular lip balm, which also does the same job. So overall, I understand why this is a cult favorite and a bestseller, because especially during winter when your lips are super dry and cracked, you just want to put something on overnight, let it do the magic, and the next morning your lips is ready for lipstick or applying lip gloss. And just like always, I have dropped the link below so you can check it out yourself as well. If you have tried this, comment below on what's your favorite scent and whether you think this is just overrated, a fancy lip balm. I'm curious to know what you think. So once again, thank you all for watching this video. It means a lot to me, and I hope to see you in the next video.